In this video demonstration, we'll show how oXygen's flexible layout works. Thus, you can customize the interface to closely match both your project's specific workflow and your personal preferences. The views inside the oXygen window are dockable, floating, and hideable. They can be dragged and docked to the margin of any view, to the margin of the main window, or even outside of it to form any desired layout. As an example, let's suppose that we want to move the model view in a different location. Click the view's title bar and drag to reposition it. You can also put the view in the auto hide state using this button. Note that the view is now displayed as a separate tab in the right side of the main window. Hover the tab to temporarily expand the view. If you no longer wish to display a certain view, click this button to close it. You can display any of the closed views at any time from the Window Show View menu. The same actions can be performed on the project view. We can hide it, close it, reopen it, or make it floatable. It can be reopened either using the Window Show View action or from Project Show Project View action. You can reposition a view between other views by dragging the title bar. While you drag a view, a gray rectangle marks the position where the view will be docked. You can also customize the toolbar area. Toolbars can be hidden or moved around to create a more user-friendly interface. When resizing the application's main window, toolbars shrink accordingly. To revert to the application's default layout settings, use the Window Reset Layout action. Not only the views can be moved around the interface, but also the editors can be arranged as you need inside the editing area. You can stack or tile editors individually, and you can even mix and match vertical and horizontal tiling. You can also rearrange them one by one in the order that you prefer. To further improve the flexibility of the oXygen layout, you can completely detach an editor from the main window. In multiple monitor systems, you can even move the detached editor to another monitor. Also, all the tabs inside the results view can be rearranged just like any other tab or view in the oXygen layout. You can save the current editor layout and reuse it later, or even share it with your team. To save it, click Window, Save Layout. To load the layout, go to Window, Load Layout menu, select the Custom option and browse for the layout file. When working with different projects that address different use cases, for example, developing XSLT style sheets or writing technical documentation, it is useful to have a particular application layout for each project. To enable this feature, let's go to oXygen's Preferences page and in the Perspectives Layout section, check the Remember Layout Changes for each project option. To demonstrate this feature, we have already configured two projects, one for XSLT development and another one for XML authoring. For each project, we have configured the specific layout more suited to that particular task. First, we'll open the XSLT development project. oXygen restored the exact layout state, including toolbars, editors, and views, like the transformation scenario view and the outline view. Now we'll open the XML authoring project, which completely changes the Oxygen layout, more suited to a technical writer. Now, Oxygen displays dedicated authoring views, like the Review panel and the Data Maps Manager view. And this concludes our demonstration. Thanks for watching.